If you wish to incorporate custom code for tailoring functionality, including Google Tags, integrating widgets like WhatsApp, and more, here are the steps. Firstly, go to the side menu and click on Settings. Click on Custom Code tab. Insert the custom code either in the head or body section based on your coding preferences. I'll be placing a WhatsApp widget in the body code and then saving the changes. What should occur now is that, upon scanning the QR code, a WhatsApp button widget should also be visible in the window. Let's demonstrate. You can observe that a customized WhatsApp button widget is displayed here, achieved through the use of the custom code option. Utilize the custom code option to modify styles or integrate elements or any other integration you wish to incorporate into the experience.